I'm paying for my PC. I'm utilizing all of it. This is definitely it. Right. 98%. Oh god.
Warning.
I can
Maximum
feel the
VRAM limit
slowness,
almost
man.
exceeded.
Oh,
Maximum
36
VRAM limit almost
FPS.
exceeded.
Yes.
Warning.
36
Maximum
FPS.
VRAM limit almost
35.
exceeded.
I mean, mind you, when I first started playing this game, I had like a 1650 Super on my benchmarking rig, and I was just playing with it. Oh, 39, I mean. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Right, 98%. But at least we're not CPU bottleneck now. Let's go to the spot where we've got a lot of people.
Maximum VRAM limit almost
Yeah,
exceeded.
but it's so
Warning.
slow.
Maximum VRAM limit almost
Whoa.
exceeded.
Oh, right. So
Maximum
8
VRAM
gigabytes
limit
of
almost
VRAM.
exceeded.
Okay.
Warning.
It's
Maximum
fully,
VRAM limit
it's
almost
really up
exceeded.
there, right?
Warning.
Really up.
Maximum VRAM
Oh,
limit almost
oh,
exceeded. Maximum VRAM limit almost exceeded.
I'm like,
Maximum VRAM limit
I think this
almost
guy's
exceeded.
drunk.
Warning. Maximum VRAM limit almost exceeded. Warning.
Yeah, I would
System
definitely back to get out.
VRAM
Yeah,
limit exceeded.
I'd pay for a
Please
PC
shut
to
down your
utilize all of
computer.
it.
Warning.
Wow.
System crashing. VRAM limit exceeded.
Right.
Please shut down your
Yeah, this is what happens, right?
computer. Warning. System
This is what
crashing.
happens when you
VRAM
fully
limit
utilize the
exceeded.
VRAM.
Please shut down
Yeah.
your computer. Warning. System crashing. VRAM limit exceeded.
Wow.
Please shut down your computer.